Hi, I'm Matt Patel.
And I'm Jerry Yu.
And we're co-founders of InvenTower LLC.
I'm sure everyone is familiar with this headache. Hardware stores like Home Depot and Lowe's have trouble helping customers find items, especially densely packed nuts and bolts that vary in size and shape. Consumers at Home Depot spend an average of 10 minutes idle in the hardware aisle looking for a single item, often having to wait for an employee to help them. When InvenTower met with the executives of Busy Beaver Building Centers, they spoke to their concerns with delivering a memorable customer experience in order to differentiate their stores from their competitors. InvenTower tackles this problem by creating a physical search engine for retail. Simply saying the name of an item will cause InvenTower to highlight its location using lights. After every search, InvenTower uses machine learning to suggest the item that each customer is most likely to want to buy next, resulting in an increase in sales. If a customer searches for a paintbrush, InvenTower will recommend a paint and thinner as well.
The InvenTower system can be accessed instantly from any internet-connected device via text or voice, and provide the physical location of an item in a matter of seconds.
Servo parts.
We are targeting large hardware retailers, where it is very hard for customers to find small items. Currently, there are roughly 20,000 physical hardware stores in the US that make up a $24 billion hardware retail industry, which has been steadily growing for the past 7 years. As InvenTower is creating a new market for smart retail, there is no exact way to approximate the market size for InvenTower. InvenTower has met with many hardware store owners, managers, and executives in our process of customer discovery. We learned that two of their main problems were creating a memorable experience for customers and differentiating themselves from other hardware stores. Many were intrigued by the technology behind InvenTower and interested in the item recommendations after each search. InvenTower's feature strategy is to move beyond hardware retail. Other problem areas in retail include pharmacies, where medicine is clustered together, and supermarkets, where spouses are sent shopping with long lists of items. Eventually, InvenTower envisions itself fulfilling searches in every kind of retail store. One of our closest search engine competitors is embedded within the Home Depot app. It offers text-only search that returns the approximate bay an item is in, not the actual location of the item itself. InvenTower goes one step further and precisely locates the item among the clutter of an aisle. Industrial supply and vending machine companies such as Apex Supply Chain Technologies and Digital Bins have LED technology, but their LED-equipped shelves display only status information, such as if an item is in stock. Their systems are used for back-end order fulfillment and are not equipped to be a consumer-facing search product. We are the only company that provides a physical search engine to retail customers.
InvenTower's monetary value comes from two distinct sources: differentiation for hardware stores in terms of user experience, and the ability to recommend and highlight items that customers would otherwise not consider purchasing. By creating a smart retail space, InvenTower is able to draw in more customers and increase sales. The material cost of an InvenTower system is $75 plus $9 per meter, and the installation cost is $10 plus an additional $6 per meter. To put this into perspective, a system like this, consisting of two moderately sized shelves, costs us $325, and a system like this costs us $760 to build and install. Once installation is complete, it costs us less than $5 per month to maintain the software services for each system. InvenTower is currently running a pilot program with Busy Beaver Building Centers. Busy Beaver purchases the InvenTower system for an upfront cost covering both hardware and installation by the InvenTower team. Over the course of the next 12 months, Busy Beaver reports its relevant sales and margins data to InvenTower. Using this information, InvenTower's monetary value can be easily quantified, and an exact pricing model can be developed moving forward.
So far, InvenTower has a beta product that includes LED indication of items, voice and text search, inventory management, and item recommendations. InvenTower has also met with several retail store owners and executives to learn more about their problems. InvenTower has secured a pilot program with Busy Beaver Building Centers, a local hardware retail chain. InvenTower also has several other paying customers, such as CME Ideate Physical Computing Lab, Merrimack High School Chemical Stockroom, and the CME Robotics Club.
Over the next 3 months, InvenTower aims to deploy in at least 3 hardware retail stores. If InvenTower were to win $4,000, the majority of the funding would be used to finance materials and the installation cost of InvenTower systems.
So we're InvenTower, and thank you for watching.